Hi everyone, my name is Greg Wilson and I'm your teacher for MDS 300. I'm going to try to create these short video announcements every week, midweek, just to kind of let you know what we're doing and what we will be doing as the modules open. Remember, our modules do last from Monday to Sunday, but we open them in the MDS program a couple days early, so any module that's supposed to open on Monday will actually open the Friday before that. So I usually post these announcements on a Thursday night before the Friday opening of the next module. So right now, as you probably have figured out, we are inside of Module 1. The way our course is arranged, each module folder may contain several parts to it. Each part lasts a week of coursework. So right now we're in Module 1, Part 1. We've introduced ourselves on the discussion boards, and I've been enjoying reading about where you came from and what your hopes are for the MDS program and your schooling, and so thank you for doing that. There's also a syllabus quiz and a couple other assignments that you need to finish before the end of each module. Modules usually end, or the parts of the modules will end each Sunday night. So with one module ending, that is Module 1 Part 1, ends on Sunday. Another one opens on Friday. So tomorrow, Module 1 Part 2 will be open starting at midnight Friday. That's Mountain Time. And in that module that's upcoming, we're going to be talking about our academic advisement report that Boise State gives to let you know what classes they've considered that you've taken and what classes remain for your MDS degree, and the minors and certificates that you might want to have are also part of that discussion as we look at your AAR. We'll talk about how to add those minors and certificates if you're planning on getting those, and how all that works. So that's coming up in Part 2 of Module 1, which, as I said, opens tomorrow. As well, you do need to have your textbook, Student Guide to Student Success, and we're reading about 3 chapters in that for the upcoming part 2 of Module 1. So make sure you have that available, and we'll be writing comments about that on the discussion boards, commenting with each other. A few other things about this course that you probably need to know. Discussions, I usually ask that you just read or think about whatever material we're looking at over the beginning of the module, and then by Thursday night that you post your main post on the discussion board. I do also ask that you respond to 5 other students, and that needs to be over a 3-day period. So the reason I ask you to do that is just to give you enough time to read what other people have written to your responses, so you have time to not only write your main post, but kind of read others' questions they might have or responses to your main post, and then respond back to them. So it's like a conversation. So it should take place over more than just one Sunday night before the discussion board is due. So you need to do that on 3 different days. That is, read your what people have posted about your discussions and answer or reply to other people's main posts over a 3-day period, at least 5 other students. So other than that, most of the assignments are pretty clear when they're due. So if you have questions about that, please let me know. If not, welcome to the class, and if I don't hear from you, I'll definitely see you online. Thanks.